how to move files from one folder to another on your MacBook. It's a very simple process. I'm going to walk you through it. So as you can see, I already have a folder here with some random items in it, honestly. But if I want to folder these, how do I do it? Well, I can create a new folder. To create a new folder, I can just right click on new folder. Let's say test1 or documents. And in documents, I have two documents over here, right? Two PDFs. So if I want to move these PDFs, what I can do is drag this onto documents and it's going to copy, or I can select this document, right click, select copy. To copy, you can also press Command plus C, which is what I'm going to do here. And once I do that, you can see the edit button flashes on the top. So that is your cue that it has actually copied. Now to paste it, however, you can do Command plus V. Once you've pasted it, well, you have two copies of it, right? One outside the folder, one inside the folder. But how do you move it rather than copying it? Instead of pasting it, what we are going to do here is press Option, Command and V, and that folder or any file is actually going to move rather than being copied. So as you can see, it has disappeared from the main folder and has come into the documents folder. So that is very handy. Now if you want to rename something, you can just select the file, hit return or enter, and then type in the name that you want. So as you can see, I have image.jpg over here and a picture.webpage. Let's say I want to create another folder. I'm going to hit Command Shift and N to create a new folder. Type in images and select enter. Now I'm going to select these two files, but how do I select it together given that there are different folders in between? I'm going to select one, press and hold Command, and then I can drag and drop it, or I can copy it with Command plus C. Go to images, press Option, Command and V, and your files have actually copied. As you can see, images are in images, documents are in documents. Now if you want to copy all these on an external drive, you can do that as well. Let's hit Command plus A. Now that is going to select all the files in this folder. To copy it, press Command plus C. Now go to the flash drive, press Command plus V, and it is actually going to copy it over here. Now I have a copy on the flash drive as well as desktop. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.